firewall controls entry to your information system. The system administrator creates rules for who can and can't enter your network to be able to access information or install additional software. Approved sources are referred to as trusted. When a request for access doesn't meet the rules, it is denied. Firewalls track all incoming and outgoing data, and the logs of this traffic can be used to identify potential threats or trace unwanted activity. A firewall can be a physical device like a router or a piece of software. There are even cloud-based firewall applications. They may protect a single computer or an entire network. Many companies use a combination of tools. Inside the firewall, users can exchange information freely. To be effective, firewalls must be active and properly configured. Failing to do so is like having an expensive home security system that you never turn on. Software updates need to be installed as available. Finally, a firewall shouldn't be your only line of defense.